Now, you might be wondering how to exactly fix SteamVR Bluetooth not available if it's appearing on your screen. Well, there are a few things that you may need to understand. Now, the thing with this issue here typically means that a driver is missing. So, the thing with SteamVR is sometimes drivers are being blocked by Windows 11. So, it's because of Windows Integrity's setting here. So, there's like a background problem for this one. So, how to exactly fix it? Well, you need to have those drivers installed. But to do that, you need to disable one setting here in Windows. So what you need to do is you want to go and just go to your search bar here, open up settings. Now inside settings, you want to go to privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, you want to go to Windows security. And under Windows security, you want to look for the option that says device security. Now inside device security here, you want to look for core isolation. So it might take a while for it to load up or for all of the settings to load up. So yeah, so you have core isolation here. Click on core isolation details. And you want to look for memory integrity here. Now once you do see that, you could go and just turn this off. And once you have this turned off, you can go and just close all the windows and restart your PC. And yeah, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and restart your PC, and once you boot up SteamVR again, it'll be able to install all the necessary missing drivers on your PC, so you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.